Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a cooking with me and we're going to be making a Tim Hortons inspired chili, because I know you like Hortons chili.
It's really good.
So we're actually the first thing that we're gonna make are some dinner rolls. I don't know what the actual, do you know what the word is? Well, yeah, some rolls, just so we can like dip them into the chili. It's my brother.
Hi.
If you haven't seen him, you probably saw him like in that the video where he did my makeup. That was terrible.
Yep.
So yeah. You sound like Curious George. So here's our little setup. We just need yeast, warm water, sugar, oil, salt, eggs, and flour. So 1 1/4 cups of water, and then our yeast, and then 1/4 cup of sugar, and then I'm just gonna mix it up. Now this looks delicious. We're gonna add our oil. So now we're gonna add our oil. And then I put a tablespoon.
Oh.
So I think I messed up.
Probably.
Just gonna mix this deliciousness up. So my brother is busy rolling the dough into balls so that we can let the dough sit, and I'm busy prepping vegetables. So we'll be back when it's time to actually like prep the chili or make the chili, because we already like steamed or did stuff to the kidney beans, so they're not raw. So yeah, we'll talk to you guys in like, I don't know how long. Okay, so we're done with our little roll things. This is what they look like so far. So now we're gonna be making our chili. So first step is, can you pass me the olive oil?
Here we go.
Okay, so I'm gonna turn the burner on. Add a little bit
double.
Isn't it on the dual?
Yeah, it's on the dual. But
Yeah.
I'm just like, do you want it?
Why not? So I'm gonna add a little bit of some olive oil to the pan. And then I'm just gonna let this heat up for a little bit. And then we're gonna start cooking our ground beef. Okay, so I thought I was recording and I said our pan was heated, so now we could add the ground beef, but it's already in the pan and I can't take it out. So I'm just gonna let this cook until there's no pink at all, because if it's pink, it's not good. it's done, I'm gonna transfer it into this big pot. So Josh, can you hold the pot?
I mean,
This tells you how people used to film the child.
I mean, that's a good thing.
Yeah, just look. Okay, and then now we're gonna add the onions to this pan
Okay.
and just saute them.
Sauteed onions.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
It does. Smash it.
Okay,
Ah.
this is the onions are touching.
It's all what?
The onions are touching.
Okay.
You'll know when
It was blurry for a while.
That's fine, it autofocus. These are what the buns look like. I'm just gonna add a little bit of butter on top. I'm just gonna add a little bit of chili powder to the sauteed vegetables. I didn't feel like adding celery because I don't know.
It's not very good.
It's fine when it's cooked. This might be a little spicy.
It's good. Chili's supposed to be spicy. You know the weird thing is, after this, there's like these black beans in like sauce, and everyone hates them, but I love them.
What kind of sauce?
I don't know, it's just this like black beans and sauce.
What do you mean after that? Like at the...
Ah, you finished baking?
Josh rolled them up and stuff.
Your pot is not sitting
Josh
down there.
started... Oh. Look at all this. Can you see if it's in frame, please?
Just move this up a bit.
My gosh.
It looks so good.
Smell it. Yummy.
So adding the kidney beans.
Ooh.
So I'm just gonna stir this in. And I'm just waiting for my brother to add the tomatoes. So we're just gonna let this sit for a bit. That rhymed. This looks so good. Some oregano. Garlic. So we're just gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes.
Oh wow.
And then we'll come back and check on it. So now the chili is pretty much done. I'm just going to serve it or plate it, and then you can see how it looks. So I'm just gonna plate it. This is for you, Josh.
Alright. Oh wow, that looks really good.